Good morning students, welcome to Path Online Tutorials. As we have completed chapter number 10 circles, now let us do some more questions which are important from examination point of view. Now the first question is, there is a circle with center O, two tangents from an outer point P, PA and PB have been drawn, and one more tangent from point S on the circle has been drawn, and the tangent is QR. We have to prove that PQ plus QS is equal to PR plus RS. Now we will use our theorems. See, P is outer point and PA and PB, two tangents are drawn, therefore PA is equal to PB. Also, Q is outer point, QA and QS. There are two tangents, QA and QS. These tangents are also equal. And R is also outer point. From R, two tangents RB and RS are drawn. Therefore, RB is equal to RS. Reason for these equalities are tangents drawn from an outer point to a circle are always equal. Now as we have to prove PQ plus QS is equal to PR plus RS. From this equation, PA is equal to PB. Now PA is PQ plus QA. And PB is PR plus RB. Now, according to the statement which we have to prove, we can see that PQ is here, but QS is not here. Here it is QA, and QA is equal to QS. So from here we can put value of QA here. PQ plus QS is equal to PR is here plus RB. RB की जगह अगर हमको RS मिल जाता है तो हमारी स्टेटमेंट प्रूव हो जाएगी, and RB is equal to RS. So we can use the value of RB here. So in this way we have proved that PQ plus QS is equal to PR plus RS. So the theorem we have used in this question is, tangents drawn from an outer point to a circle are always equal. Now the second question is question number 2. Outer point PA, two tangents PT and PS have been drawn. TS is the chord. PT is equal to 5 centimeter and PS is also 5 centimeter. Why? Because PT is equal to PS and angle TPS has been given. Now we have to find the length of chord TS. Chord TS की लेंथ पता करनी है. We can easily observe that triangle PTS अभी तक जैसे दो साइड्स इक्वल दिख रही हैं, PT और PS, अभी तक ये इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल नहीं है, ये आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल है जिसमें एक एंगल 60 डिग्री का है. नाउ अगर इसमें एक एंगल 60 डिग्री का है तो एंगल 1 और एंगल 2, इन तीनों एंगल्स का सम कितना हो जाएगा? 180 डिग्री. Why 180 degree? Because of angle sum property. ट्राइंगल के तीनों इंटरनल एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री होता है. नाउ एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री माइनस एंगल P is equal to 180 minus angle P is of 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. Now as a triangle PDS is isosceles, therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. इक्वल साइड्स के अपोजिट जो एंगल्स होते हैं वो इक्वल होते हैं. सो इफ एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2 एंड एंगल 1 प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 100 डिग्री, देयरफॉर एंगल 1 प्लस यहाँ पे एंगल 1 एंगल 2 की वैल्यू रख देते हैं 120 डिग्री. दिस इंप्लाइज दैट 2 एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू 120 डिग्री. So angle 1 is equal to 120 upon 2 is equal to 60 degree. एंगल 1 की वैल्यू 60 डिग्री आ गई है और एंगल 1 एंगल 2 के इक्वल है. देयरफॉर एंगल 1 is equal to एंगल 2 is equal to 60 डिग्री. Also एंगल P is of 60 डिग्री. तो इस ट्राइंगल में तीनों इंटरनल एंगल्स की जो वैल्यू आ रही है वो आ रही है 60 डिग्री. Therefore, now triangle TPS is equilateral triangle. ट्राइंगल TPS इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल है. अगर ट्राइंगल TPS इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल है तो इसका मतलब सारी साइड्स इक्वल होंगी. इसका मतलब TS is equal to 5 centimeter. So in this question we have used the theorem tangents drawn from an outer point to a circle are equal. Secondly, we have used angle sum property. Thirdly, we have used the basic characteristic of triangles. Triangles means here we have used isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, angle opposite to equal sides are equal, and here we have used the property of equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle all sides are equal, and in this way we have find the length of chord TS.